Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is good, family? We are back in the building with another video. So listen, looks like the loads, the price has been going up. I've been seeing the numbers been looking real decent. Like, all right, let me stop playing with y'all. I've been off for a couple weeks. I've been out the truck for a couple weeks. Took a little breather. Now I'm back. Now I've still been kind of watching the load board, and I've been seeing the numbers are steady. Gas prices dropping a little bit. I'm seeing gas prices dropping. So y'all should be excited about that, especially if you just get in your truck. So you missed that hike in diesel prices. I think they're starting to simmer down some. I've been seeing some decent diesel prices out here. I'm still sticking to my 65. I'm not going over 65 miles per hour. I'm getting way better gas fuel. Something you guys need to go purchase. Mine is coming in today. It's supposed to really help with the depth. It's to avoid you from your truck constantly doing regens, keeping the soot out of your exhaust. Max mileage. Iowa80.com, I think is the website. I'll drop it down. I'll drop a link down below so you guys can go and get that. I'll definitely order some. It's gonna run you $1.50. I think $1.80 was shipping for a half a gallon. So definitely read the directions on it. Go to the website. It's a couple of my partners, they swear by it. They say it is the truth. They rarely see check engine lights come up since they've been using this. And your depth hand rarely moves when you start using it and putting it in your fuel. So I'm definitely ordering some. Mine will be in today. Hopefully when I get back, I should have it in the mail. So yeah, we out here, man. I'm out here definitely back on my Amazon bag. Back in my Amazon bags. You know. Getting back to the shmoney. You feel me? Back out here. We're back out here. How y'all doing out there though? Hope y'all doing well. It's a beautiful day today. Nice Saturday morning. Caught this early load coming out of Columbia, going back to Charlotte. Like 5 exits from my crib. That's where the drop off is gonna be at. So yeah, I'm out here working, man. Early Saturday morning out here getting to the bag, man. Get to the money. Y'all know what we like to do, man. Run it up, man. We gotta run it up. We gotta keep eating out here. Y'all feel me? Let's eat. Let's eat. wrapping up a CLT9 run. Got a booked another load from from KCLT to Greenville. So I'm doing that one tonight. So I'll see y'all when I crank her back up. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's eat, baby. It's Bigg Vic TV. Tune in. Y'all already know what's going on. Y'all know what's popping. Let's get it. Dropping off. Yep, we out here. 2:18 in the morning.